In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the watercolor blending effect with the Tombow Twintone pens and do a little review with them. So let's get started. Hey friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I originally wasn't going to buy these pens because I figured I have the Tombow dual brush pens. They have a fine point on one side, so I thought this wasn't going to be that different. But I decided to try them out, and I actually really love these pens. I first bought the bright pack because I thought the pastels would be too light. And you can see that in the first column I'm doing here, this is the bright pack. And I really like these colors, but then I decided because I love these pens so much, I would get the pastel pack also. And I really think that you just need both packs because they both come in really great colors, and I actually think I like the pastel colors better. They're not pastel, they're still pretty bright, but they're just toned down a little bit from the bright pack. Both packs come with 12 colors. So if you buy both of them, that is 24 colors. They have felt tips. The larger side is similar to the size of the Tombow dual brush pen, the fine point, and the smaller size is really small. I probably won't use that size as much unless I am writing in a planner or a journal. As for lettering, I probably will use the larger side more. I do like that they're the same color, so I have the option of bigger or smaller together in a design using the same color. I have noticed that these have a lot of ink, probably even more than the dual brush pen, and that's why they blend really easily for watercolor. So like I'm doing here, I'm just taking my pencil water brush and it's wet, and then I am just blending the edge so it's like fauxligraphy. I am adding the thick downstrokes with water. Here I am using mixed media paper, so it's a little bit thicker. It's not quite as thick as watercolor paper, which I will be using in just a minute. But basically you want thicker paper so that the water doesn't just bleed right through the paper. So you want to make sure your letters are spaced out a little more than regular, kind of like if you're doing fauxligraphy. And then you also want to make sure that you are always doing either the right side or the left side only. I have found that it's easiest to do the right side. So on this one I'm leaving especially extra room because I'm going to add 2 colors to blend inside. So with normal fauxligraphy, most of the time I'll thicken up the right side, but sometimes I'll do the left side depending on the spacing. But for this one, it's really important that it's always on the same side because it's a different color. Instead of just thickening it up with the same color, it doesn't matter what side. But as you can see here, it definitely adds that blend that you want to be consistent throughout your whole word. You could also use a regular paintbrush with water. I found my Pentel water brush size fine has the best firm nib. It's still like a paintbrush, but I have more control because it is a little bit more firm than other brushes that I've used. I'm using some random colors and random words that I feel like fit with the colors, but I'd be interested to see what colors you would blend. So let me know below, or if you try this, feel free to tag me on Instagram at Ensign Insights or message me so I can see. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I've been having a lot of fun with these pens. If you have another type of pen that you'd like to see, or another type of video that you want to see, let me know. I get my best ideas from you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss my next video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you next time.